Everyone wants to make a comeback, but only a few actually do it. When school or college starts again after summer, most people show up tired, unmotivated, and out of sync. But this is your chance to rise above them all. This video is not just about getting back on track, it's about crushing your goals, standing out from the crowd, and becoming the most disciplined version of yourself. Here's your 3-step comeback blueprint. Follow this and watch how fast your momentum builds. Step 1, rebuild your routine. Fast, don't wait to feel ready. Set a fixed wake-up time and stick to it, even if it feels hard. Start sleeping and waking up like school has already started. Even 1 week of good sleep and early rising will put you ahead of 90% of others. Next, pick 3 habits. 1 for your body, 1 for your brain, and 1 for your time. Example, morning run. Read 10 pages and plan tomorrow before you sleep. That's your comeback foundation. Step 2, rewire your focus. Stop doing everything, start doing what actually matters. Choose your top 3 priorities this semester. Is it getting better grades, improving your fitness, or building something outside school? Write those goals down, then break each into weekly actions. Focus creates clarity, and clarity builds confidence. And remember, you don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Step 3, stay ruthlessly consistent for 21 days. This is the hardest part. Everyone starts strong but fades after a week. You need to show up even when it's boring, even when no one's watching, even when results are invisible. This is where discipline is born, and this is where your comeback becomes unstoppable. Show up for 21 days straight. No excuses, no skipping. No, I'll do it tomorrow. Because after those 21 days, your habits take over, your energy returns, and you start moving like a winner. Final thoughts. Most students waste the first month after break. You won't. You've got the strategy. Now you need the execution. Rebuild your routine, rewire your focus, and stay consistent for 21 days. That's how you make the biggest comeback of your life. This is your moment. This is your time. Stay sharp, stay focused, stay disciplined,